Hello, my name is Malak Mustafa. Now I'm going to give you the pronunciation lesson plan. I just want you to be very excited because you will enjoy it, okay? Let's start. So, how are you, class? I'm fine, thank you for asking. If you remember, actually, we took something very interesting last class. It was about past simple tense. Thank you so much, Ahmed. So, I want you tell me, what did you do yesterday? So, can you tell me, Muhammad? You played football, you watched television, you had lunch. Thank you. What about you, Isra? You did your homework, you did housework, you studied. Thank you. What about you, Ahmed? You enjoyed the day. You washed your face in the morning. Perfect. And you slept at night. Thank you so much for this. Okay. Our class today is very interesting. Very interesting. The first thing we took actually last class, the past simple. So today we will take something which is connected to the past simple. How can I say or pronounce ed endings in English? Because it has a specific rule. Yes, so it's related and it's very interesting. Actually, before explaining how can we pronounce it, we need to know the difference between voiced and voiceless sound. I know this is the first time to know, so it will be fun, don't worry. First of all, if I put my hand on my throat and I feel vibration, like for example, z, z, z sound. Yes, z, exactly. So there is vibration. Can you put your hand on your throat? Thank you. Z sound. Thank you so much. So this is called voiced sound. Like there is a sound comes from it. Perfect. Thank you. Another example, like for example, b, b. There is vibration also. B. Yes. Also like d, d, d sound. Exactly. As long as I feel vibration, that means it's voiced. Okay? So far so good? Any problems? Thank you. On the other hand, I have also, when I put my hands on my throat, like for example, s, s, s. There is no vibration, so it's called voiceless. Like there is no voice from it. There is no vibration from it. Thank you. Okay. Again. T, it's voiceless. Okay? The third one, p, p, p. Voiceless also. So, I have some voiced sounds, some others, or some other voiceless sounds. So, the difference when I put my hands on my throat, I feel vibration or not. If I feel vibration, voiced. If I don't feel vibration, voiceless. Perfect. Any problems? Fine. And actually, at the end of the class, you will take a handout, and this handout has all voiced and voiceless sounds. Okay? Fine. Very good. So, here is the rule. What should I do if I find actually the letter voiced or voiceless? What is the rule? Let's go. So, when I have a voiced sound, when I pronounce D-E-D, I pronounce it as D sound. As in what, for example? Voice, sound, like play. Play has Y sound. Yeah. And Y is actually voiced. So I put what I say, ED is pronounced as D. Like played, played. Okay? Fine. The second one, voiceless sound. If I have work, work actually is a verb. And it ends in K. K, k, k. It's voiceless. So when I add ed, I pronounce it as t sound. Like for example, I say worked, worked, worked. Not work it. The rule again. If I have a voiceless sound before ed, I pronounce it as ed. T. Thank you. If I have a voiced sound and I have ed, ed is pronounced as d. Thank you so much. The third and last rule is when I have t or d, the ed is pronounced as id. As in what? As in studied. Studied. So here I have d. So ed or ied is pronounced as id. Id. Okay? Okay, very good. So again, the rule from the beginning. What is the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds? First of all, I will know why. My hand on my throat. Vibration, voiced. No vibration, voiceless. Thank you so much for this. Okay, now I know the rule of voiced and voiceless. I want to know what is the rule of pronunciation of ed. Number one, if the letter or the sound before ed is voiceless, ed is pronounced as t. As in work, worked. Okay, what else? Cooked. Perfect. Or washed my face, because sh is voiceless. Washed. I washed my face. I watched television and so on. Okay? Okay. If the sound is voiced, ed is pronounced as d. Thank you so much. So I have cleaned. Okay? Cleaned. Stayed. Cleaned, stayed, and played. Okay, the last rule. If I have t or d before ed, ed is pronounced as, this is a special one, yes. It's pronounced as id. As in what? As in study, studied. So here the, okay, I need an example for t. Want, wanted. It. Want, wanted. So, easy or hard? So after that, when actually I speak in the past, I will pay attention to the sounds, ed endings. Like for example, I watched television, not I watched, because th is voiceless. I washed my hands. I cleaned. I studied. So the difference, I washed, cleaned, studied. T, d, ed. So far so good? Easy or hard? Very easy. Okay. And now I'm going to give you the handout that which I told you at the beginning of the class. It has all voiced and voiceless sounds, and we need actually to do some exercises. Deal? Okay, let's start.